Hello student, today I am going to show you a video in which you can change the single point cutting. This is my new single point cutting tool and this is old single point cutting tool. Okay, so today we will change the old cutting tool to new cutting tool. So first of all you have to just remove this old tool through this key. Okay, you have to loose this nut like this. Okay, and then remove this tool. Okay, now I am placing this new tool over here like this manner and tight this nut. Just a minute. Yes, I just place this tool and tight this nut by this key. Okay, this is a key, so you just tight the key. Now you just check the tip of the tool and center point of the workpiece must be matched. Okay, so I will just check it. Yes, see, focus on this point here. See, this is the tip of tool and center point of the workpiece must be matched. If this two tip and the center of workpiece is not matched, then you have to place this support. Okay, by this support you can adjust the height of tool so that the tip of the tool and the center of the workpiece must be matched. Okay, now you can just fix your, this is tool post, by this handle you can just lock it like this. Okay, so this tool post is fixed. If you lose this tool post, then release this handle and you can move in any of the direction. Suppose I will fix like this. Okay, so this tool is fixed and you can move the tool in this manner. Okay, बंद कर दो.